to be interviewing isang National High School student about mental issues in adolescence. Let's go!
Mental health in adolescents is crucial because it shapes their emotional well-being, influences their development, and impacts their ability to cope with challenges, learn, and build healthy relationships, laying the foundation for a healthier adult life.
Your name, age, and exposure.
Okay, so my name is Carlos Number and I am listed my age. I am 15 years old and I am from section D7.
Great. So I will ask you a few questions, so please answer them this question. Okay? Number one, let's talk about the project or assignment that's particularly.
Projects that I found hard that I think what made like a music book. I wasn't really familiar with the topics. I was struggling in how to put the parts into the music board. So like that's one of the things that I struggled with. Yeah, that's my answer for this.
Thank you. Answer number two. Describe the time when you were proud of an accomplishment in school. What did you do and why would you do?
So one of my accomplishments that I really like was like the time that my name was called and they told me that I was like in the honor list. I was really like overjoyed to know that because it's really a big step to education. It can really show how smart or hardworking you are.
Yes, very true. I know this one. Number three. How do you manage your time between schoolwork and something
So simply I don't stress out when it comes to like schoolwork. I make time for myself. I really first when there's like school projects I do it first and then the rest of the time is just
for me, I don't really relate to this because I don't have time management, so thank you for your answers. They were really good and please stay
bye. So that was my answer.
So we have here our second interviewee, which is please tell us your name.
My name is Yenjay Mama and I 12 years old as acquisition in one for England.
Wow. Thank you. So for the first question, have you ever faced a difficult situation, conflict, classmate or teacher? How did you handle it and what did you learn?
Nagpa-oral kami sumanta. Wala ko naka-answer. Then, ang katong pag-answer na ako, ipa-report me. Na, that is our parents na ako. So, ako handle it. Nagdoon pag maay.
For my second question, how do you balance your offline and online activities? Do you find it challenging to be disconnected from technology? If so, how do you manage it?
I manage it.
That is a very reasonable answer. For me, I don't relate to it because I am a very huge procrastinator. Thank you for your answer. That's so perfect. Third question. How do mentally healthy students show progress in their personal growth and development? Cut. Number three. Third question. How do mentally healthy students show progress in their personal growth and development?
Dili nila i-break ang ilang pagkasalito.
That is so real. Anyways, thank you for your answers. They were really nice, and I feel like I can relate to them a lot. Thank you for listening so much. So we have our first interviewee here. Please state your name and please.
My name is Renzo Tisolo and I am 17 years old and I am grade 12 PBL1 DPPs.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions and please answer them based on your experience. So number one, can you talk about a project or a type that you found particularly challenging and how did you overcome?
Yeah.
Pwede lang mix ang kanang answer in English.
Para kita parang
I am not.
Thank you, love. Number two, describe a time when you felt proud of an accomplishment. What did you do and why was it kanang describe a time na kanang proud ka sa like imo kanang na-accomplish sa silahan. Unsay imong gibuhat and then ngano importante sa pa.
Korean chicken.
Listen siya ko pang nagpapunta ka sa mga kauman ko niya. Importante ito rin
Wow, that's very kanang heartwarming. Okay, number three, last question. How do you manage kanang your time between schoolwork, extracurricular activities, or kanang mga tips na find mo help? Kanang, how do you manage your time between schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and tips to keep and help? Pause. Sige, wait. Thank you for the video. Prior, balik dito. Kanang, like, with your, how do you manage your time between schoolwork, extracurricular activities, or tips to keep and help?
Magbuhat ko ka na may happy sa ako na nangarap. Kita ko buhaton karong kay baton kayo nga ako na magkuhan sa to kang mga sa ko mga tips sa kanang mga ma-solder panapel din sa pag kanang manage siya akong pag.
Thank you so much for joining our interview today. Thank you.